There are many products available to choose paint sprayers, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best paint sprayers from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Graco Magnum Project Painter Plus Paint Sprayer. This paint sprayer from Graco is the best option if you want a tool suitable for professionals and DIYers, and just as effective as more expensive models. This airless paint sprayer immediately impressed us when we tested it by painting a set of exterior shutters, and it performed well in later tests as well. We also used it to freshen up our garage door, which looked great after a single coat. We added a second, just to be sure. We feel this paint sprayer is best used for larger projects, but we loved how smoothly and evenly it laid down paint without any sputtering, blotches, or spitting droplets or uneven bursts that waste paint and leave an inconsistent finish on projects of all sizes. Number 2. Graco Magnum Prox 19 Paint Sprayer. This professional-level airless paint sprayer has enough power to take on major painting projects that use up to 30 gallons of paint due to the high pressure and flow rate. During testing, we used it for a smaller project, painting wooden trays, with excellent results. We also used it to paint all the doors in our basement, 6 in total, and found it to be even easier to set up and use the second time. Though this sprayer was more muscle than we needed for our projects, it performed like a champ, laying down a very smooth coat of paint each time, no thinning required. It draws paint directly from a 1 or 5 gallon bucket and comes with a 50-foot hose, although it can support up to a whopping 150 feet of hose for very large projects. Number 3. Graco Magnum X5 Stand Paint Sprayer. If you're searching for a paint sprayer that lays down a smooth layer of paint and is easy to maneuver while tackling a variety of painting chores around the house, this one from Graco is worth considering. We used this airless paint sprayer to paint some interior doors. While it works well on larger projects, we found that it did a good job of tackling our door transformation and was easy to use. Like many airless paint sprayers, it draws paint directly from a 1 gallon or 5 gallon paint can, and there is rarely any need to thin the paint. Prior to use, we sprayed interior latex paint and primer without any thinning. It's a nice upgrade over our overall best recommendation if you tackle a lot of larger projects that require up to 10 gallons of paint. But you can save about $40 by going with that model if you tend towards smaller projects like painting furniture. Number 4. Titan ControlMax 1900 Pro High Efficiency Airless Sprayer. This sturdy, airless paint sprayer is mounted on a wheeled cart with a long handle, which made it easy for us to maneuver wherever we needed it. It's designed to handle large projects, and we tested it by painting an outdoor wooden shed measuring around 11 × 11x 12 feet. We didn't need to thin out paint and completed the entire task in under an hour. In addition to tackling a big project and painting our shed, we also used this sprayer on some smaller tasks, including cabinets and an interior wall. We loved how easy it was to move around to different projects and how easy the cleanup process was once we figured it out. It continued to work just as well with each subsequent project. Number 5. Graco Ultra Cordless Airless Handheld Paint Sprayer. We love that this battery-powered paint sprayer allowed us to cut the cord, since most paint sprayers require you to keep track of not only your paint hose but also a power cord. This one is totally handheld, like a battery-powered drill, so it's incredibly easy to set up, carry around, and maneuver while painting. We used it to complete 2 initial projects, painting an interior door and a desk, with fast, even results each time. This particular paint sprayer is designed for handling small jobs, such as painting furniture, trim, doors, or cabinets, so it was very well suited to our tests. We loved it so much that we ended up using it at least once a month on various projects around our fixer-upper, including doors, cabinets, and furniture. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make you life much more easier.